Is your iPad screen suddenly zoomed in, making icons and text unusable? This common iOS glitch can stem from accidental gestures, software bugs, or display settings. Let's fix it with 4 solutions without data loss. First, try these free fixes. 1. Double-tap the screen with 3 fingers to disable zoom. You can also tap the icon to zoom out. 2. Restart your iPad, hold power plus home, or volume up for newer models. 3. Reset settings. Go to Settings, General. Reset. Reset all settings. If these fail, your iPad likely has deeper system corruption. MagFone iOS System Recovery can help you. Its iOS System Repair mode fixes zoom issues and 150 plus other iOS problems without erasing your photos or apps. Choose Standard Repair, no data loss. MagFone auto-detects your iPad model and downloads the latest firmware. Click Start Repair, wait 5 to 10 minutes. Done. Unlike iTunes Restore, MagFone rebuilds iOS without wiping data. It even bypasses recovery mode errors automatically. If you don't want to use the zoom feature, you can turn it off in Accessibility. Download MagFone via the link below. Questions? Comment your iPad model, will help.